Hi, my name is Kendra Marks. I have been with Select since May of 2009. Prior to that, I sold radio advertising and loved life until I got that phone call that my husband was in a car accident and was in a coma. During his recovery, he came to Select for vent weaning and therapy. And because of that experience and all the people that we met and everything that we went through, I decided that healthcare is where I wanted to be. So I quit my job, enrolled in nursing school, and became the admissions coordinator for Select Specialty Hospital in Akron. I spent a few years there while I got my nursing degree, and then went out to our Youngstown campuses where I was the director of business development for a few more years. Got my master's degree and was lucky enough to be picked for a training program that Select has to offer where you learn the skills to become a CEO. Currently, I'm the CEO at Select Specialty Hospital Columbus South. What do I love about my job? I love being part of a team. And I love to be a part of creating miracles and giving hope for people that we were given during the toughest time in our life. So if you're looking for a career, Select is a great place to be.